I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making a sequence that won't fight you later. Import your audio and the transcript or SRT, then create a sequence matching the audio sample rate and frame rate so timing stays accurate. Once done, drop the audio onto a track, open the waveform, and zoom to identify sharp transients. These are your anchors. You'll also create a captions or speech-to-text track now if you plan to use automated alignment, because having an on-screen text layer speeds manual adjustment and keeps edits non-destructive. Next, you align the words to sound. If you use speech-to-text, generate captions and review their timing. If you imported SRT, drag each caption segment to the approximate transient and snap to it. Make fine adjustments with keyboard nudges, one frame at a time, so consonants hit onsets. Use loop playback over tricky phrases and reduce playback speed to confirm alignment. Make sure to enable snapping and show clip keyframes for any pitch or speed changes that can shift timing, because you want spoken syllables and text to feel instantaneous. Finish by polishing timing and export settings. Trim caption in and out points to match natural breaths and phrase endings so readers can follow without lag. Choose burned-in captions for guaranteed playback or export a sidecar SRT for flexible delivery. Make sure export settings preserve frame rate. If captions drift after rendering, check whether you applied time remapping, clip speed adjustments, or pitch changes. Those alter waveform timing. If they did, relink to the original source or reapply alignment after normalizing speed to keep text perfectly in sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.